Hey friends, today I'm using one of our brand new Greyson 9x12 boutique boards along with the Santa's Reindeer transfer to go with our Christmas in July theme. What I did right now is I am currently fuzzing up the transfer so that way it does not stick like crazy once I place it onto the board. Now I was just smoothing out, making sure I have no bumps, so that way my chalk paste will go right through. All I did was stir my chalk paste to a nice yogurt-like consistency, and I'm placing the squeegee into the chalk paste and pulling the chalk paste all down the words that I want to be done in our red. Once I have that all covered, I'm going to scrape off the excess that I have on the squeegee and on the board and put that right back into the jar. Now I'm coming in with our white chalk paste, and I am adding the white chalk paste all over those little accent pieces. They look like maybe little mini snowflakes. They're super cute, and I just wanted to do them a different color so they popped. Now it's time for the reveal, and look how pretty it looks. I love, love, love how beautiful the red and the white look on that Black Greyson boutique board. That board's only $19.99, the transfer's $14.99, and our 3-ounce chalk paste, which will last you a very long time, are $12.99. I truly hope you enjoyed the video, and please stick around for the finished project. Have a great day. Bye.